Hi guys, sitting at my daughter's, passing the time while my wife and my daughter have gone out to watch a film. I'm making my wooden kits. So I've got this one, Peacock, cost me £1 at Cancer Research. Looks to me like it's IKEA. No, Flying Tiger, very similar company. Flying Tiger is Denmark. So I'll put this one together. Probably do two versions of it. I'll do a fast forward for those people who get bored watching me put them together. That'll be on my main channel, GrandadIsAnOldMan. And then I'll do the full length version and put that on my other channel, Grandad's other channel. Okay, that's what it's got to look like when it's finished. All the pieces are numbered. Slots, slot number 1, you look for piece number 1 that will slot into it. There's number 1. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and so on. And depending on the quality of the punching or die cutting, depends on how easy this will be and how long it takes. So this one's the one that's got number 1 and number 2 on it. So if we can get it out. And where are you? That's number 1. General rule of thumb, the smooth side is the bit that goes on the outside, or the top, or the front. So number 1 has got to go there. Or there. I reckon smooth side front, smooth side outside, so it's going to be like that. But of course, is that the front? No, that's not the front, is it? That's the front. That makes, does that make more sense? That makes more sense. Pay attention, Grandad, you're putting it in the wrong slot, just as well I didn't start gluing it. Which I will do. You shouldn't need to glue them, but I tend to. Okay, so job done, guys. Yeah, I'll definitely do 2 versions of this video. Fast forward for my main channel and full length for Grandad's other channel. Details in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.